In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to embed custom HTML like widgets, forms, or third-party snippets right inside your page using Wix's built-in tools. First, make sure you're in the Wix editor for the site and page where you want the code to appear. Once you're on the canvas, look to the left side of the screen for the plus icon, often labeled Add. This is your gateway to every element you can place on a page. Click that plus icon to open the Elements panel. Inside the panel, scroll or search for the category called Embed Code. This section contains tools specifically for bringing in content from outside Wix. Go ahead and click Embed Code to reveal the available embed options. Next, choose Embed HTML. When you click it, Wix will drop an HTML element onto your page, usually as a gray placeholder box. You can drag this box to position it roughly where you want it and resize it with the corner handles. Don't worry about getting it perfect yet. You can always fine-tune after the code loads. With the HTML element selected, a settings panelist will open. You'll see a field where you can paste your HTML. This is where your snippet goes. Things like an embed iframe, a widget code, or a simple block of HTML. Paste the code exactly as you received it. A quick tip: only use code from sources you trust, and make sure the snippet is complete. If the provider gave you multiple pieces, use the one specifically labeled for website embedding. Some scripts or external resources may be restricted by browsers or by site security, so if something doesn't display, check that the code doesn't require special permissions or blocked content. After pasting, click Apply. Wix will render the code inside the element so you can see how it looks right on the page. If the content appears cut off or leaves extra space, adjust the box by dragging its edges until everything fits cleanly. You can also reposition the element to align with your layout. If the preview doesn't load immediately, give it a moment. Many third-party embeds fetch content from external servers and may take a second to display. That's it. You opened the Add menu, selected Embed Code, chose Embed HTML, pasted your snippet, and clicked Apply. From here, continue designing your page as usual. Thanks for watching and happy building.